Sorry my last video shut off. I had to delete something because my phone ran out of space. Anyways, let's continue with this severe thunderstorm. Now, this is part 3 of my severe thunderstorm video. I also put this in YouTube video editor. This will be pretty long. This will probably be like an hour or something. But yeah, we're getting seriously a buttload of rain today. Today is Sunday, June 8th, 2014. Yep. I heard, yeah, today we didn't see the sun. I don't think I've seen the sun almost at all today. Not, except for once. All day I've seen the sun. That's it. Other than that, I did not see the sun the entire day. The sun's been covered, and it's been raining for like hours. It's been raining for hours. It's been raining for hours. Been doing this for like an hour now. Not including the severe thunderstorm from earlier. Yep, this second severe thunderstorm is right in effect. It is in effect 45 minutes ago. It's still in effect. And it's still in effect. Let me check the time. I'm just gonna check the time. 4:37 p.m. Sorry, I had to check the time, go in the house and look at the timer. It's 4:37 p.m. right now. Because there's a timer on my stove. I checked the time. I could see it from all the way over there. It's 4:37 p.m. Earlier than I thought it was. I thought it was like 5 or something. But I was wrong. Whoa, bigger puddle than I thought it was. Look. I didn't know it was like a tail, whatever, right there. Mom, I think I'm gonna stay home today and film. Sorry about that. I was gonna go something to Dad, like a band or something, but I'm not gonna go today. I'm gonna film instead because the weather's so bad today, and I don't want to miss this beautiful moment. So it's getting dark again. Whoa, look at that! It's getting dark again. Mom, come out here. It's so pouring. Yep. And look at all the water puddles. I have to say that this is some of the longest rain I've ever seen since June 4th. I mean, no, yeah, I think this is worse than June 4th. Even though the lightning was more consistent, but still, the lightning's kind of slower, but the rain is really making up for it. Oops, my phone's a little bit red. It's blurry, sorry about that. That one's also blurry. There we go. Well, now you guys can see the pouring rain. Yeah, I think we're going to get flash flooding if this continues. If this continues, we're going to definitely, for sure, get flash flooding. Oh, man. It is pouring. You guys can see the water puddles. You guys can see the rain very much. You guys probably can't see how much it's pouring, but it's really pouring. Oh, man. This is so bad. Listen to that lightning. Oh, my gosh. This is some of the hardest rain since May, actually. On June 4th, well, maybe the rain was a little bit harder, but still, June 4th wasn't that, it's not that far away from June 4th. This rain is just so crazy, man. Oh, it also rained on Thursday, so 4 days of rain. It also rained on Thursday, June 5th. I remember at softball, it was pouring. We had to leave early because it was raining. It wasn't raining this hard, but still, it was pretty close. It was raining really hard. No hail, though, but just a lot of rain on June 5th. Yep. I filmed some of the rain earlier when it wasn't that bad, but But, I'm saying on June 5th, but, by the way, yesterday, it didn't rain at all yesterday, surprisingly. It didn't rain at all yesterday. It was pretty much sunny, and, it was sunny for the most of the day, and then it was a little cloudy, but it never rained. Yep, the rain's starting to lighten up a little bit, but still, it is just pouring. As you can see, see that rain puddle is starting, to slow down. It shows that the rain is starting to slow down, but still. The rain is still pretty crazy we're getting today. I think the lightning stopped. So I think it's just rain now. Still pouring. Whoa. Whoa, this is pretty bad. Still raining, but not as hard. I think it's starting to weaken finally. Yep, that second thunderstorm was also pretty bad, but the first thunderstorm was so bad that the tornado sirens came on. The first one was way worse, but still. This one is still pretty bad. The rain made up for it. I don't think there's any more lightning. So it looks like the storm is slowly starting to move out of my area, moving to somewhere else, moving to another area. Yeah, look at all that water puddles. Wow, still a pretty bad storm. A lot of rain today. Yeah, still is a lot of rain today, and I'm seeing some hail on the ground. Looks like it hailed a little bit earlier. Taxi. Let me go up close. Let me move, and I'm going to show you guys the water puddles right there. Show you guys how big it is. If I can. Sorry guys, I'm trying to squeeze in. Dumb bee. Sorry, a bee was right there. Look at that water puddle. The water puddle's pretty big. Look at that. Still, it's raining hard. But it's about done though, so I think I'm almost done with this video. Because it is starting to clear up. Yeah, that's about it. And I hope you guys liked this video. See you guys.